Hello and welcome to Chrome Story. Here we talk about Google Chrome and other Chromium based browsers. Today I wanted to take you through a few new features Google Chrome launched. If you are looking at the What's New page, you'll see the same features. I have created videos, separate videos for a couple of them, but I wanted to take you through a bunch of them together. So the first one, which is new to me as well, is the ability to save PDF files directly to your Google Drive. So if you open up a PDF file, you will have this Google Drive icon. Click this and then it lets you select your Google account and save it to your Google Drive. And within Google Drive, you will see a new folder with saved from Chrome. So all the PDF files that you save while browsing will be saved there. So that is a neat little feature for you to have. The other option is enhanced autofill, which now lets you save more than just your address and passwords. You can now save loyalty cards, vehicle details, flight details, and so on. So if you have enabled your autofill Chrome sync, this should be available to you as an option. I've made a separate video for that. Definitely check that out on the Chrome Story YouTube channel. Now, moving on to the next one is something that I use very regularly on my mobile phone. So this is the ability to read aloud. So if you are, let's say, browsing through an article, so let's just open up Chrome Story real quick. And yeah, this is you'll find the split view article here and the video actually. So I can right click and say open in read mode. And then I have this read aloud feature here. So it'll start reading the article aloud to you. So you can just put your earphones in and then listen to the article instead of reading the entire thing. You can also control the playback speed, slow it down, maybe increase it if you want. I usually put it in 1.5x. If you click here, you can change voices. There are a few of them to choose from. And you can always do the other things like voice highlight, links, changing fonts for the reading, and so on. Now that's read aloud feature. Now let's move to the next one. This is split view. So if you are using Google Chrome, within the window you can split a window into two tabs and see them side by side, as you can see here. Again, I've made a separate video on how to use split view, so definitely check that out as well. So that is a productivity feature that you can definitely use. Another recently added feature that I'm still for some reason I'm not able to use on my Google Chrome is viewing tabs on the left side of the screen, side tabs. Looks like that's back on Google Chrome, but it just keeps coming and going for me, so I am not able to say with 100% certainty that it has launched. But if you are able to see that option on your browser, to drop a comment and let me know. Similarly, the Gemini AI assistant icon as well is mysteriously missing from my Google Chrome profile. That's something that I'm kind of trying to troubleshoot and find out. Or maybe it needs the premium Google Gemini account. So we'll see how that goes. So these are a bunch of new features that's coming to Google Chrome. And just to remind you, if you usually it just downloads, the update is downloaded in the background, and when you open or restart Chrome, all these changes are applied. But you can always go to settings, help, and about Google Chrome, and then let it run the update. It'll check every time you open this page, it'll check if Google Chrome is updated. If there is an update available, it'll download, and then you'll see this relaunch icon to restart. So that's a bunch of new features coming to you in January of 2026. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, let me know by clicking that like button below this video. Thank you for watching.